What's up, guys? I'm gonna be showing you how the FAMAS or the Burst Assault Rifle is really good. So basically, it's like one of my favorite ARs, and it's one of the best, and it's super good, and it changed, so it's way better. It zooms in more, so it's better for far range, and it shoots too, so more faster.
And me and Philip are gonna explain how the Scar is the FAMAS is more better than the Scar. So if you're struggling, what should you take, a Scar or
if you have terrible aim, then I'd recommend using the FAMAS because it zooms in more.
Yeah. So here, I'm gonna come now.
Alright, just like keep on launch padding to each other.
We're gonna be comparing the Scar and the FAMAS.
Wait, that's a blue AR.
I feel like a blue AR is better than a Scar. So there's not, I don't know.
Also read that, sub to Philip N on YT. Yeah, do that.
Alright.
No, just like launch pad to each one, because I can't like see it if like the things are. Alright.
Alright, look. Look, let's say you got them low. It's fine if you didn't hit your shots. But you could just imagine you had a launch pad, you had a launch pad, Philip would launch pad, now let him heal, pressure him, and then free kill right there.
Yeah, and plus...
How about, look at the Scar. Look at the Scar.
Hold on, get the AR. Let me compare give me the AR. Alright, I need to compare the stats. Alright, so the AUG does 1 more damage. The Scar, it's faster, but like it shoots too rapidly. Whoops. I know it has a smaller magazine size, but if you get the mythic one, then you're gonna be good.
Mythic one is really
And then
good.
Burst Assault Rifle, it has a bigger reload time, but like you just gotta do this, like you just gotta do that, and and there's really no point of reload time. And it's zoomed in more, it's way better.
Look at the Scar.
What the? Oh my gosh! How do you do that? How do you do that?
It's controller movement. Look.
Come on! What the? That's too OP.
You can see the AUG it's better.
Here, let me try to leave you with the Scar.
Let's say I have this. I have the pump, the attack, and the Scar. Alright. Yes, dog. If you have the same, I should recommend, but if you're low H, if you don't have no heals on you, you should have you shouldn't have the Scar. You should have
the AUG is literally since it's zoomed in, it's
but
literally free tags.
As a controller player, I laser with Scar, but
alright,
it's the controller.
Alright, launch in the air, and then like and then we can like see the difference between like the Scar and the AUG, like how people laser. The Scar, like it's barely even zoomed in, not as much as the AUG.
So like fill up with this health deal.
Yeah.
Oh, my video is almost uploaded. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to laser with the Scar. Like, it's gonna be a bit harder because, like... Hold on, I'm gonna go right here. It's gonna be harder because it's less zoomed in, so... But if I try the AUG, it's like more zoomed in. And, like, it's like easy tags. Like, it's more zoomed in. Like, I don't know why not use it. Like, and you can like ghost peek, like free tags.
Look, I'll compare here. Let's say we're both in an arena game.
Here, I'll
Let's
see
say
the
I'm
percent.
here, right?
Here, take the AUG. I wanna see how it's like. Just take the AUG and laser me.
Wait, where are you? Wait, I can't see you.
Hold on, I need to get rid of this build. Alright, keep on trying to laser me. Okay, now laser me with the scar. It's gonna be a bit harder.
But if it's close, it's gonna be really easy. But if you're like a PC player, you should use the AUG.
Yeah.
Because you have no aim misses. So. It's your opinion. It's just tell me what kind of player are you?
Yeah, like if you have like horrible aim, then I'd recommend using the AUG.
Oh, I hit you off of it.
And I think we should do creative fill. And then I'm gonna get some clips of me like using the AUG and like really good. Should I?
Oh no, I think.
Alright, so we're gonna be doing some clips of the AUG in creative fill. Yeah. So
oh wait.
yeah.
Why? Why did you stop recording? You're gonna put it into a whole. No, you should talk. You should talk. Are you have your mic on? What? Yeah. Do you have your mic on? So if they could hear you? What? Oh, that sucks. Wait, can they hear me? Why? Turn it on.
These are gonna be the clips. Alright, I'm clipping right now. Alright, I'm recording. Oh, this kid's gonna. This is gonna be someone that's scared. Oh, this kid's coming to third party.
I'm getting double teamed on.
I'm not even getting you though. This kid's such an idiot. Vote all that for nothing.
You suck.
Oh, I didn't mean to.
Can I tell them about my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
About the uploading? Alright guys, so in like 6 minutes, I don't know when this video is gonna be uploaded, but go check out, if you guys wanna go check out my YouTube. Not my YouTube, it's gonna be like a news sort of, not news, but it's gonna be in the boss on. It's gonna be different. I just watched the video more than spoiled, but yeah. And it's about this stuff, like stuff that is new. It's not really news. I was just saying any glitches to fix glitches. Yeah. Bro, can they hear you?
Did I just yeah, they can hear me. I just dominated him.
Try hard.
Yeah, I'm not using it.
Look, when are you getting an iPad Pro?
Probably in like a year or something. I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna put time. I hope you don't leave me out of the air.
Alright, who's in there?
Oh, another kid. 2 people joined in now.
Oh my gosh, I just got double tanked.
It's the odd. It's the odd that I literally.
Did someone just kill you?
It's try hard. It's gonna kill you.
Bro, I'm getting focused. Like, get off, kid. Like, you're trash, kid. I'm gonna get these kids the og. Are you spectating me?
Nah.
Oh, nice.
Laser him!
My sensitivity was too low. This kid's literally doing a scrim.
But turtling.
What kind of name is turtling? Like, I'm not kidding. What kind of name? We get these free tags. Free tags. Free tags. Like, kid. No healing, kid. You're one shot. Like, get out of here. Like,
Let's set up with tree grinders. It's 11, 18 in the morning.
kid, you're trash. Kid, don't even go for me. I'm not kidding. Don't even double team me. It's like, you know you're dead. Like, you already know. So, good idea, kid. Frick, I fell off. Come on. By fall damage. Bro, I literally got both blow right before the other. I ended up still go. Alright, we got this. Alright, I'm gonna dominate. Why are you gliding? Field goal, why are you... Wait, no, that's not a field goal.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, I just got sniped. But then I got that kid though. Oh, this kid literally, he was about to get me. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is so scary. Oh my gosh, this kid was about to get me. Like, bro. I literally just, I cracked this kid that was literally just going for me. I literally just got him whited.
That's what you have to take a hold. Like,
Oh my gosh. Kid, was it worth it now? Was it worth it literally going for me? Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. Get dominated, kid. You're trash. Before you, I
oh,
help
this
you.
kid stalled. This kid stalled.
Got him?
We're not even cheating, guys. We're just. I was right. Wait, Philip, when is this video gonna get uploaded?
Probably on July 13th. Because I had to like edit it and everything.
But are you gonna edit it now?
After I get off and everything. Or probably tomorrow.
How do you edit? Are you gonna do like the cuts and all of that crap?
Yeah.
How can you make those? That's my question. It's way different.
Who got tagged out of the air? I can't tell who's who.
That's how one.
Oh, these kids love gliding. These kids love gliding and like getting lasered out of the air. They actually like
52 ding. A 52 ding for Grana.
I think to keep going to you. He's whited. One tap.
That's my friend. You're thinking my friend. Chill.
Well, you have a teammate. You're so lucky. You're
Yeah.
actually.
But he's a bot. He's not used.
Got him.
Aw, so cute. Here's my buddy.
It was a cat.
Yeah, you wanna go now, bitch? You wanna go now, bitch? I didn't cuss. So don't say in the comments, I cuss! I said, bitch. Stop cursing.
I shot this kid down. So 35 on the kid going to you.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
36. What? Okay, got him. It looks like it's just blue battle me. I'm not kidding. Blue battle me.
You're getting controller. You're getting controller then if you want a blue battle.
Yeah, blue battle me.
I bet. Wait, let me heal up real quick. I bet. Really. Trust me, this is my second video. The first video I was with my first game in the whole entire day. No crap.
Oh no, he has attack.
Oh no. I bet it's gonna say you heal off, I bet. No, put him down, chill.
Alright. Is it gonna have to be a heal off?
I have 6 campfires, like I'm
What?
and searchers. That thing doesn't. No, chill. Oh, I'm dead. Yep. Oh no, I wasted my.
I'm gonna let that catch your teammate live. I have a teammate. It's a hot dog.
Look, guys. I only use an AUG. I'll use an AUG.
I'm gonna do a game AUG only. Probably. Like
You should. That should be a vid. That should be a straight up vid. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so tired. No, you guys have to sub to us. Not to me, but to Phil. He's a true gamer. 200 subs, like, oh god.
I'm launching the height.
Oh, he might go this kid. Oh, that sucks. I think this one might go. They're trying to go my wall. Alright, it is. There it is.
Oh shoot, that's you.
Who is this? You have a teammate?
Yeah, he's
My
bad.
teammate's dog crap.
My teammate is useless.
Shit. This kid, I don't have a bloom. I don't. The sniper.
I feel like he went spraying with like 2 AUGs, and like you can like then you can't let someone heal.
What? Are you
Also,
actually kidding?
Epic, if you're watching this, please do not change the AUG. The AUG is too OP.
Yes,
Just do not
please,
change
Epic,
it.
please. No. Dog is, it's perfect. No one's complaining about dog.
Yeah.
Stop.
Why don't you have an AUG? And why don't you use an AUG?
I have 6 campfires.
He won't go for heal off. He has attack SMG. His aim! His aim though. Did you see his aim? He literally had the whole mag. You were literally a free kill and then he didn't even kill you. You were literally standing right there and then he didn't even hit any shots. Like, bro.
It's 11:27 p.m. So, I want a double log.
Yeah, I'm gonna do double log so I don't have to do
those.
Just like double from Moss, like so like shoot 2 and then just switch really quick.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, that's OP.
46
Whoops.
stink for someone?
You just stinked my teammate.
Wait, did I?
Oh wait, what team did you dink?
A 4.
Oh yep, that's me. Killing your teammate, stay by. Your teammate's 1 health, I'm not kidding. Like real 1 health, like I got sniped. It's cause I wanted to
saw
beam you
that.
for the clip. Teammate, please res. Yes. If you res, like you're a real one. Like just say yeah.
Nah, I'm stopping that. You're dying too, bud. Both of y'all are dying. I want a turtle. I want a turtle like a freak.
Why does everyone call it turtle? Like why don't you call it like tunneling?
Because I don't know. Because it protects you like a turtle.
Also, I'm super close to tier 100 on my other account. That kid is so bad. I
Oh, my
literally got 1
team is still
health.
alive.
Bro, your teammate's aim is so good. Bro, look at your
It's
teammate's skin and
overpowered. It's
backpack
too
combo.
overpowered. It's like dumb teammate. Oh, I don't know.
Look at your teammate's skin and backbling combo. If your teammate wins this, so like he must be like If he wins it, this like he might have to be in the World Cup.
I didn't. I don't want to say it, but this is all crap.
Oh my gosh.
He sucks.
His aim is so good. He literally just got beaten by oh my gosh, he just got cracked on. Oh my gosh.
Bro,
Oh my
my
gosh.
teammate actually just closed that up. Oh my god, that's
I got your
funny.
team at like 30
Someone-
health.
Why is it taking so long?
Yeah, why
Look,
is
I
it?
think you should end it. It's 8. It's already 8 rounds. It's gonna be longer.
Alright, after like the after 2 more. Bruh,
Yeah.
why won't it start?
Bro, that'll be 10. Oh my god. Someone left. I'm doing triple. I'm doing triple. I am doing triple. Don't peek, my guy. Don't peek too much.
Wait, your teammate? Bro, these kids, you know what? You're gonna get beamed out of there when you run. I wanna launch.
I have no shotgun only in the eye.
Bye bye, teammate. I'm gonna let my teammate die. Bye bye, team. You're bad.
Okay, I'm 24. Someone.
You hit me for
Definitely
25.
wasn't Philip.
That's a clip.
You're about a good clip. Oh, my team is still alive.
Are you really using the scar? Are you really out here using a scar?
That's not me. My team got dead. I knew we were gonna get.
Wait, this kid has a Wait, I think. Wait, never mind. It's his boat umbrella.
Whoa.
Hold on. What if I do the reload glitch in the air? I'm gonna turtle. Just kidding. I'm bad at that. This kid!
I just saved your life.
Oh my gosh, I just clutched. That was a clutch.
Oh, shoot.
Don't worry. I got you. You already know what's happening to him. I'm gonna dumpster him.
No. Go push him. He's a bot.
Wait, is it the kid that died? What?
I don't even know where. Ah, it sucks.
No, I couldn't go right there because his trap was there.
Other people. Oh, use position.
Alright, I'm gonna start using the augo. Okay, so basically this is like the type of kid that would like dance when he gets his first win. That's literally the.
I'm actually gonna try this.
Of course, he literally dances because you know it's his first win.
Oh, my teammate got a snipe.
I'm WKing the kid. I'm WKing this kid. I'm WKing. I don't care. I'm just kind. I'm salty. Like, no, I want that kid.
Oh, no.
I hope someone goes to the launch pad.
Here's where my team is.
Bro, I literally just choked last round.
Huh?
I choked last round.
Oh, this whoever.
My teammate's
that was
literally
you.
peeking it.
Stop it!
Alright, I'm sorry.
Stop! I'm getting triple things. Help
Alright,
me!
I'm coming. I'm getting the guy that was on you. I got you.
My gosh, dang! I'm getting double teamed.
I'm gonna stay on your base, but then I'm gonna go for that kid, okay? Just like chill.
Your teammates on me.
Oh my! I'm getting the kid that's third partying. Yeah, this is literally why you don't third party.
Your teammates
My
dead.
teammate's died.
I'm dead by your teammate. I'm on his feet.
Don't worry, we just double team him. Got him. Oh no, you have the attack SMG.
Sir.
That's a nice trap you got there.
I don't know why you're not coming down. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win here. Help?
No.
I need to finish. Who won? Alright, is it done? Are you gonna done?
No, it's 9 at a time. We just need to do one more.
You guys have to jump a lot because of that. If Eric might do down to going trolling next time.
Trolling what?
David. I don't know, trolling kids. Like trolling them like a launch pad, like making them mad.
Shockwaving people in Storm last guy?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
I just double dink.
No,
Oh, no,
Taylor!
it's not a double dink.
No, let me get my teammate. Oh, you watching me? You kill my teammate? I bet. Kill my teammate? You kill my teammate? Is your teammate dead?
No, my teammate's still alive.
Yours is still alive.
Wait, did your teammate die?
Yes, you're the one that killed him.
Wait, I killed him?
This is so weak.
I got him 33 health for you.
No, I got him.
Alright, I'll chill.
I need to get my finish. I need to get my finish. Let's go. I got my finish. Holy smokes! Chillax. 55, 32. Oh my god. This kid really wants to smoke, I bet.
I 13 white on him. We're not teaming.
I just got Can I say it?
No. This kid's a bot.
I'm gonna go to this one.
Should I like, hold on, I'm gonna wait for my slurp to work.
Oh, down, he's